Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable newsfeed from widgets on Windows 11. The widgets experience provides quick access to information and performs small tasks that mainly provides curated news from the new MSN News Network, which usually only provides marketing-optimized, political, and unwanted content. Now, Microsoft has added an option to turn off the newsfeed, giving you access only to your widgets. To turn off the newsfeed for the widgets feature on Windows 11, click the widgets button from the taskbar. Alternatively, use the Windows key plus W keyboard shortcut. Then, click the settings button in the top right corner. Next, click the Show or Hide Feeds. Then, turn off the My Feed toggle switch to disable the newsfeed. Finally, click the Turn Off button. Again, reopen widgets and you will not see newsfeed anymore.